Oh, wow.
Yeah, it doesn't look powdery at all.
Not at all.
Today I'm gonna show you 3 different ways to use powder. This is from Fenty Beauty. This is their new Bright Fix powder. I'm using the shade Lavender because I thought that would be a really good juxtaposition for Brittany with her like neutral yellow undertones. I like to do a preliminary set, which we already did, set the whole face. Then I take my powder and have you look up, and we are going to place this basically everywhere we would place brightening concealer.
That's a good tip.
Now what I like to do is take a powder brush and just sort of dust away the excess, and the remnants of the powder left over will have a really nice brightening effect. And if you don't want to be this matte, you can finish off with a little bit of setting spray, but you're gonna have that nice brightening effect, and it's gonna be locked in because you let that powder sit there.
Wow.
It's really pretty.
I can really see it. It's brightened up a lot under my eyes.
Because it's the opposite color of your undertone, so it's like brightening you up really nicely. For our next tip, we're going to set the under eye, and this is the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder. I've been using this for years, but now there's a shade extension. I'm using the soft pink on you. I'm gonna take it and blend it into the brush. But what I'm gonna do with the clean side is go ahead and look up for me. Any concealer that's not yet set will travel and move around. I'll take the clean side and just smooth out the concealer. Then I take the powder side and just press in. And the important part is she's looking up. Everybody has little creases under their eye. By looking up, you're ensuring that you're setting in those little creases. This is from Saie. This is brand new. This is their Slip Tint powder. And you were saying use the loose one.
I do. I love their translucent one.
So I'm gonna take a little bit of this and then swirl it in the cap. We're gonna use a puff later, and same thing, you don't really wanna see any product on the brush because when you put it on, it'll almost be like undetectable. Because you know, sometimes when you just like go in and you blot, 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 you just see blotches of powder and dryness. This way you just got more matte. You didn't get dry or powdery, it didn't cling to little areas. You're pretty concealed, but you can kind of like really pack it on because it does have a bit of coverage, which is really nice. First tip is just take powder, blend it into the brush, and apply it all over for even coverage. You can mattify or you can get a nice sheer layer of coverage.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it doesn't look powdery at all.
Not at all.
Your highlighter still looks luminous, like your skin looks really pretty.
Yeah, I love that. I still have a glow, but it's not,
it's velvety.
It's not dry at all.
No.
We love that. That was awesome.
Yeah.
I feel like I learned a lot.
Yeah, now I need these powders now.
I know, I need all of these.